Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the status access violation error in Slack. This error usually happens because of corrupted cache, unstable browser extensions, hardware acceleration issues, or outdated Slack files. First, restart Slack and your computer. This refreshes the app and clears temporary glitches that may be causing the crash. Next, clear your Slack or browser cache. If you are using Slack in a browser, press Ctrl-Shift and Delete. Make sure cookies, site data, cached images, and files are selected, then click Delete Data. If you are using the Slack desktop app, clear the app cache and reopen Slack. After that, disable all your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Slack and trigger the status access violation error. Turn the extensions off and test Slack again, then update Slack or your browser to the latest version. Open your browser settings, go to About Chrome, and make sure Chrome is updated because outdated versions can contain bugs or compatibility issues. These issues can sometimes lead to crashes. Next, turn off hardware acceleration. Go to your browser system settings and disable Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This can help fix rendering or browser engine problems. If you recently changed browser flags or experimental settings, reset them back to default. Finally, if the issue still continues, completely reinstall Slack and install the latest version again. If the error only happens in the browser version, try using the Slack desktop app to confirm whether the problem is browser-related. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack status access violation error by restarting Slack, clearing cache, disabling extensions, updating the app, turning off hardware acceleration, resetting browser flags, and reinstalling Slack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.